Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. We're doing really well with the golden ticket. I'm receiving tons of testimonials from you guys just saying that you're making profit in your account. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to withdraw from your broker EnviFX when you're ready to take some profits. Okay, but very important, make sure you keep your account over $250. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is first move the money from your trading account into your wallet at the top left corner here. So I go to internal transfer. I select MetaTrader to wallet because I'm moving out of my trading account. I select the account and I select USD and I put in the amount. In this case, I'm pulling $1,000 out of this account into my wallet to withdraw. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to request transfer. Okay. I click on transfer and boom, I've got the transfer. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to go to withdraw and I'm going to go to select Bitcoin. I'll select the USD amount and I'll put in the amount. I want to pull the 1,000. I'm going to click on request withdrawal. Okay. And I'll click on withdraw. Let me go ahead and grab my wallet address. Give me 1 second. All right, so I put in my wallet address here and all I'm gonna do is click withdraw. Okay, so now it does take them like 2 to 6 hours for them to approve it. So then it goes into your wallet. From time to time, they may ask you to do some extra security steps. Normally, I had to do that just for my first withdrawal and that was it. I didn't have to do that again. But yeah, about 2 to 6 hours typically. Typically a couple hours they confirm it and then it goes into your wallet balance. So it's pretty quick. I've not had any issues with withdrawals from EnviFX. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it. See, it's pending here, pending withdrawals here. So make sure you put in your wallet address, your Bitcoin address that you want the payment to go to. And that's all there really is to it to withdraw. So once that goes into my Bitcoin address, I will show you. Okay, so just under 24 hours later, you can see the withdrawal has come into my wallet. And you can see right here the $1,000 that I withdrew from EnviFX. So no issues there whatsoever. Okay, so now I also wanted to show you, some results that members have been, experiencing with following the signal, the golden ticket signal with Social Trader. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you some results there. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, so just to show you, what some members have been doing, following my signal, the profits that they have made. I'm not gonna reveal any names, but just to show you guys that the signal is working for people and people are making money, and that's one thing I love is making people money. So this particular person. 40, so the total profit is 41, which is the gross profit, but brokers do charge a commission per trade. So the net profit is $40.48. So when you take off the commission, which is 55 cents in this case, minus the total profit, then you get the net profit, which is $40.48 here. Okay, so I'll close that one down. 35.53 over here, another person made. I think that was the same one here. I opened it. 67.66, another person made. Somebody made 54.06. Somebody made $83.64. $64.28. Okay, another person. Most of these people have joined in the last couple days. Another person made like $54. Another person made $53, $37. Another person made $26, and it's all based on the amount that they deposited to to start with, to trade with. Another person made $84, $186. Another person made $167, and another person has made $300. So man, the signal is amazing. Golden ticket. It is working really, really well for members, and that's what I love to see, guys. So yeah, this is what we're doing. I love to see it. Somebody shared with me even a testimonial on Telegram. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, somebody sent this in. They said, "Hi Alex, thanks for the investment tips. I joined the golden ticket on Wednesday, already in profit. So this was last week Wednesday that they joined, and they're already in profits. So that's a great. So it's not too late, guys. If you want to join it, I have the instruction guide here in the description of this video, so you can follow it step by step to connect over to the signal. Okay. So this trading week, I'm looking forward to an exciting trading week and making us more profits. All right. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Telegram. As always, God bless. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.